Hello, my name is Rohit Talesa and welcome to my channel. So, first of all, if you have finished all 30 days of JavaScript challenge, big congratulations to you. I know it requires consistent efforts, and I would encourage you to solve more LeetCode problems. And if you have done this entire series and you are confident of it, try to use map function of this JavaScript and create a similar map function. In that, you will give the same input and it should give the same output. So basically, you are using the inbuilt map function and creating your own map function, compare the input and output and performance of those things. Similarly, do it for reduce, filters, promise, race, all those things which we have learned in this series. So that would be a good sense of test for yourself, and it will give you a much more confidence in JavaScript. So that's one thing. Second, I know a lot of you have commented, a lot of you have liked this video, so that's a good. I was hoping for a bit more viewership on this, but I think because my channel is not categorized into that zone, it is much more in Rails and React. So maybe because of that, we are not getting viewership, but that's fine. That's not a big deal. Overall, it was a good thing for me also because I wanted to go into LeetCode, DS and all. And JavaScript, this particular challenge I personally liked a lot. Now, I would encourage you to share it on LinkedIn. If you have done 30 days task, share it with me on LinkedIn or on Instagram or in personal, anything that you prefer. I just want to see how many people have done that. And yeah, along with this, I have a lot of other series also. You can go through my YouTube channel and playlist. Like there are Fullstack Rails related videos, and there are different videos for Ruby on Rails James, React plus Rails APIs, React Challenge. Now there will be another series which will be coming up in React Hindi. It will start from scratch and go all the way up to higher levels of React. Okay, so it will be purely in Hindi. It will start somewhere around this month only. So yeah, that's the overview about it. Now, you can support these videos and my channel by two ways. Obviously, by sharing it on social media platforms. That's the free way of doing it. Then there are paid ways of doing it. So for example, if you are someone who cannot commit for a long term memberships and all those things, you can go through any particular video and do give us thanks or super thanks. Okay, and what it means is that you can make a contribution basically. Along with that, you can join my membership also. On membership, I have, because I have limited members right now, I have two membership videos. One is Sprinter interview experience and second is Deliveroo interview experience. A lot of interview related things will go into membership just because I don't want to make things public. There are some terms and conditions that comes with these things. And along with that, members do get special privileges also. You can go in and check those membership related things also. And yeah, do let me know how's your experience and what would you like to have next. That's it. Thank you. Bye bye.